Hello children, how are you today? I hope you are studying, and I also hope you are keeping fit and safe. Very good. Now, who can remind me our last topic in nature study? Our last topic in nature study is what? Air. Isn't it? Good. Now, what is air? Air is the mixture of gases. Very good. Our today's topic in nature study is house. Children, repeat after me. A house. Good. Now, at the end of the lesson, I expect each and every one of you to be able to define a house and also mention the types of houses we have. Is that clear, children? Very good. Now, children, look at this picture very well. What can you see? You can see a house, isn't it? Good. This is a picture of a beautiful house where we live. Now, what is a house? A house is a place where people live. Children, repeat after me. A house is a place where people live. Good. Now, types of houses. We have different types of houses. We have huts, we have tents, we have apartments, we have bungalow, and so many others. Children, do you understand me? Very good. Do you have any question? If you don't have any question, I expect you to bring out your exercise book and answer the following questions. Number 1, write 3 types of houses that you know. Number 2, dash is a place where people live. Good. Do you understand, children? Very good. Do have a wonderful day. Thank you.